Hi again. Jia.
Hi,
Hello.
hi,
Hi, Anand.
Hey, hi Rutpanna. Hi Jia.
hi,
Hi
hi.
Hi,
Hi, this is
Shadma.
Shadma.
Shadma. Yeah,
Hi Shadma.
hi. Okay, so firstly, welcome everyone and tell me how is this new normal like promoting the series like this? How is it? Are you all enjoying it?
Who's going first?
Anand, you go first.
Thank you. Uh, so I think
Wow, I was
I
talking, I was on mute.
oh great.
Again?
Um, I wouldn't
Again,
say it's
yeah.
fantastic, but it's something new. As you said, it's a new normal. So, but it's nice that from my living room I could just sit and have this conversation with you all. So yeah,
Right, right.
it's comforting.
Yeah, yeah. I'm loving it.
So we don't. Yeah, it's very comforting. This okay. I
Yeah,
mean, I
what
don't have
about
to tell you
you?
what I'm wearing down there. So
Yeah.
Yeah, most of the people are like ऊपर से कुछ भी पहन लो नीचे
yeah,
कौन
I'm
देख
wearing a shirt and I'm wearing a
ऊपर
box,
से
so it
we
doesn't
all are
matter.
decked up and नीचे से pajamas में comfies.
I mean,
Right,
so
right,
it's
right,
this new normal has given so much comfort.
right. But
Hmm.
sometimes
Yeah.
it becomes boring, कि चलो बाहर जाना is something else, promoting is something else, and sometimes it becomes boring कि घर में बैठे बैठे. Are you all not getting bored sitting home?
No. I'm an
Yeah,
But I think
introvert, so
because
I don't mind.
same here.
yeah, same here. So I think we are three introverts
I think
working
we all
together.
are not so outgoing person.
Yeah.
हम लोग बात सोचते रहे कि हाँ चल पार्टी करते 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 ही रह गए आज नहीं मिले.
Chalo, well, that's very good. So tell me, firstly, like to congratulate you all for season 2. Now tell me something
Thank
about
you.
what's new, what's exciting in season 2, which we are going to see in Virgin Bhaskar season 2. Tell me something about that.
Well, now since it's out, so I think I mean, it's not leaving
Yeah,
for us,
About
yeah, it's already,
enough
yeah.
things to discuss.
Yeah.
So it's already out, and I'm glad that people are liking it. So I think there's a lot of the story is, I would say, it has like the season 2 has come out for like as a better version
Right.
of season 1. So
Hmm.
and that's the kind of feedback I'm getting, and that's what we were expecting. So
Mm-hmm.
when story gets started growing on you and the characters started growing on you, that's something that you want to achieve, with
Right, right.
web series in particular, because it is a kind of a medium wherein, if you see 5 months down the line or maybe a year down the line, you want your viewer to look back at it and feel like, oh yes, it is still so relevant, it is still so relatable. And that's the
Right.
kind of feedback I'm getting, and that's the story. I mean, that's all I
Mm-hmm.
can talk about the show right now.
Mm-hmm.
Else it's out
Hmm.
there, and then people could watch it. Yeah.
Okay, Rutpanna, what's your thought?
Well, I completely agree with Anand because मैंने तो अभी तक देखा नहीं है. But I think बहुत लोगों ने
Oh, you
Why?
haven't seen it yet?
no.
What? You
I
Oh,
didn't
haven't
get
so
time
quick.
यार,
Why?
मेरे पास मैं बहुत actually busy थी. और ऊपर से I
Good.
actually wanted
Okay.
to see theirs performance, but जितना मैंने promo में and जितना मुझे mails आए, and of
right.
course there are few fans who are little like my fans biased towards me that your screen presence is little less yaar, but I was trying to explain them that that's how the story has been written, and I think
Mm-hmm.
जो लोगों ने फर्स्ट सीजन के बाद एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था जिस तरह से वो स्टोरी टर्न अप होगी, इस सीजन में वो हुआ है. लाइक and one thing, the very common feedback which I got was among the youths, this is very common कि आप पहले
Right.
किसी से प्यार करते हो and doesn't mean that वो गहरा प्यार आपका मुकम्मल हो जाए. You tend to get attracted
Yeah.
to youths also. So that's what
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
मतलब इस सीरीज में we have tried to convey
Hmm.
it, and वो भास्कर का point of view भी कि सब अपने अपने इमोशनल ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं. And
Yeah.
Hmm.
बस
Exactly.
बस
I'm getting
अभी
a lot of
ज्यादा मत बोलना,
messages.
स्टोरी बता देगी.
but इतना
I mean,
Yeah,
I'm
you
getting a lot
tell
of
me.
messages wherein.
You are
Sorry.
new to join this season, and how was your experience working in this season? And have you like already watched season 1 and then you joined the season 2?
So it was like I had not watched season one, to be honest. When I got my character brief and everything, when I gave the audition, it was very interesting. My character was very interesting, and that is why I watched season one, and then I really liked it, and I loved it. I loved doing this show.
Right, right. Okay, Anant, this season is like you are experiencing love triangle, and previous season was something like where only you were there and Rutpanna were there. But this season, Jia is also there. Tell me, how was it? Like, how much fun it was for you to work and to experience this love triangle wala story?
Well, more the merrier. So I think I mean, I really, I really liked it. I enjoyed this track. I think. What's that?
क्या
What's that?
question है?
Oh, Shadma, you have to answer this. So.
Obviously दो लड़के अच्छा ही लगेगा.
I know, more the merrier.
No,
So
but
it was that.
this season is like अलग है, कुछ नया था, and you experience something to दो actors के साथ काम करने मिला. Both are different person. In person अलग ही होंगी दोनों. तो
Yeah.
I'm talking about that वाला fun, not अलग वाला fun.
I know. Isn't Rutpanna very naughty?
Yeah, you all took it in a naughty way.
See, no, but I think working wise, I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed working with Paki since she's a new entrant. I've already worked with Rutpanna in season one, and though it's when you're shooting outdoor and you have certain number of days to complete it, there's always this work pressure. But I think whenever we talking about Rutpanna and I, whenever we come into the scene, I think it's. I don't know what works, but even when I see both of us together on screen, I always feel that we did something which we didn't expect it, but it came out really nice, and there's a chemistry which I wasn't expecting while shooting maybe. So yeah, it happens whenever we are doing a scene. It's so much fun to share that sort of energy and that give and take which we have as different as individual characters. With Paki, with Jia. When she came on board, I think it was just we were just waiting to be friends. I think there was very ease to understand each other's sense of humor and jokes. I think it was then the fun just got doubled, and I felt they both always, and including Mishra ji, like who's Dhiren Tiwari, and Rohan, who's playing Himanshu's character. I think what works about the show is that little chemistry and tension, that natural tension that we have between each other, which comes and translates on screen very naturally. So we don't have to push it too hard. That ease or that little tension between, because there is a little tension and ease in any relationship. You always hold something, you give something. But so that kind of naturally translates into on screen, and which kind of works for the show. It makes it more relatable and more honest and sincere. But I thoroughly enjoyed working with both of them. Yeah, and I think they would have same good things to talk about me as well.
Obviously they would. But Rutpanna, how much what would you like to say about Jia? How is she as a person, and how was it working with her as she is new added in this season?
Please talk about cat
fights.
Please talk.
पैसे भेजे.
Please talk about cat fights.
Jia ne?
Yeah. You know what? I'll tell you, like very honestly, I think Jia और मेरे ज़्यादा scenes है नहीं. We hardly have. I think when I was shooting, she wasn't. When she was shooting, I wasn't doing anything. So we hardly have scenes together. So we didn't get time to connect with each other. But the moment during the promotion, behind the scenes, जब बात करते थे या फिर like. Right now, when we are having this Zoom meeting, I think we are quite friendly and very hi, कैसी है, बस निकल गए, बस इतना ही होता था. And I think with most of the actors, like Anant also and Jia, both of them, मेरे इनके साथ इस सीजन में सीन्स काफी कम है. तो मोस्टली मेरे अलग से है थोड़ी सीन, सो उतना टाइम नहीं मिला कि हम इंटरेक्ट कर सके किसी से भी. बट अदर देन देम लाइक मिश्रा जी, रोहन, लाइक वी आर गुड फ्रेंड्स. पहले से ही बहुत अच्छे से दोस्त बन चुके थे, और दे आर ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स, बीट नैना, रोहिणी एंड ऑल द 4 brothers, they are also these small characters. I mean these supporting characters which they have played. were very adorable, and I think they were looking good on screen. And I think other than them, I have made a lot of friends there on set,
Right.
and we the crew members also.
You,
It was
other
fun.
than us?
So
Other than us, you mean?
मतलब हम लोग के साथ तो होना ही है, तो जायज है, बट आप लोगों के अलावा भी इतने सारे सब थे, बहुत प्यारे लोग.
Yeah.
And
So inclusion,
Jia, obviously
hashtag
we are Jia, obviously we are seeing you in Never Seen Avatar, you know, इससे पहले के जो characters आपने play किए हैं, that are very different, and this time we are seeing you in very new Avatar. Tell me, like,
Yeah.
how
For
was
a
it
for a
for
change,
you
she's
to?
not being the bitch in the clan.
Yeah.
Please, I've never been the bitch, okay?
No, she has
Do I
never.
want to be?
Goody
Point is
goody
to be
वाले
noted
roles
that
play
she is
किए हैं
not a-
हमेशा.
Yeah, sorry. Who's speaking?
Sorry.
No,
you
I was
tell me.
about to say that this point has to be mentioned, that she is not a negative character in the show. She is like very positive character, and it's और सारे characters में कोई negative नहीं है.
But then she
Yeah,
has.
life is very sweet.
So tell me, like, काफी bold नजर आई हैं इसमें as compared to अलग जो आपने इससे पहले जो shows किए हैं या इससे पहले जो character play किए हैं, उससे compare करेंगे अगर, तो इसमें जिया जो है वो अलग अवतार में दिखेंगी. Tell me, how much are you familiar with the real one? Like, पाखी से कितना ज्यादा मिलता जुलता रहा आपका ये character, जिया?
Well, I could definitely relate with her when it comes to emotions. वो दिखाती as if she's very strong and she's like that, but emotionally she's very what do I say, like emotionally वो emotional है. She has that
Sensitive.
emotional side. She may not show her, she may not express. तो वो दिखाती है that she's very strong, but she's not emotionally. So I think that is where I could connect with her, and I am somewhat like that. तो maximum time मैं हमेशा हंसती खेलती दिखूंगी, not खेलती, हंसती खेलती दिखूंगी.
पकड़ पकड़ के लाना पड़ता था इसको सेट पे. इधर आ, शूटिंग कर, खेल रही है.
हंसती खेलती रहती है.
Okay, so
Yeah.
relationship के बारे में जैसे आप लोगों ने starting में कहा था, tell me, you know, these days relationship is something else, जहाँ पे you know बहुत difference आ गए हैं पहले वाले relationship में अभी वाले relationship में. Things have changed a lot. What's your all thought about relationship? Tell me about that.
Who's going?
सब जानते हैं.
जो जिससे start करना है करते हैं पहले.
नहीं,
Let's
बहुत
start
बड़ा
with
really
decision है.
expect
Shadma, this is not an easy choice. हाँ, let you give you name.
As she is not saying much, so Rutpanna से start
अरे?
करेंगे.
About the relationships and nowadays.
Yeah.
See, very honestly, I think I don't deserve this world. ये जमाना मेरे principles के according देखा जाए तो पूरा उल्टा है. The way I think, what my opinions are, it doesn't match with the world at all. तो इसीलिए मुझे आजकल के relationship नहीं समझ में आते, which is why I've never
She is
been
very pure and pious.
yeah, I also have
that
a very
Gopi Bahu.
conservative mindset. I have. I won't deny the fact, but that's how I am. I cannot change it. So मुझे ऐसा है कि whenever I feel somebody comes into my life who is the right person, obviously तब जाके मैं सोचूंगी, and वो कब आएगा, जब तक मुझे confirmation नहीं आ जाता वैसा है. But आजकल क्या होता है, like people actually they are trying and exploring. अच्छा आज मिल गई तो try करके देख लेते. Try that's for me. I don't believe in trying relationship. So इसीलिए मैंने बोला कि ये जमाना मुझे मंजूर नहीं होता. Yeah,
Right.
Wow.
Okay.
On that note,
Anand,
she writes really amazing story. I follow her, and she writes amazing poetries. And yeah, so you should listen to that because she ended up on a very poetic note. ये ज़माना मुझे क्या बोला तुमने रुतपन्ना? It was very
ये
poetic.
जमाना मुझे मंजूर नहीं.
मंजूर नहीं होता. वाह.
ये जमाना मंजूर नहीं होता. Actually, I've written a poem, which is why ये जहन में आ गया है. अभी तक मैंने अपलोड नहीं किया है. I'm still working on it.
तो हम सुनेंगे, डेफिनेटली
Well,
सुनेंगे. अनंत, टेल मी अबाउट योर, like, what's your thought about relationship?
Like, you mean to say after COVID, before COVID, or it just like I'm still confused with the question. Like, or today we are talking about like our generation and my parents' generation.
Yeah, I think our
You're talking about
generation
There
generation.
has, yeah.
See, there are good and bad in every thing if you start looking at it. In some ways, I feel highly relieved that we are a generation who's more open to communicate how we feel, and who's lesser accepted or tolerant for anything which we do not deserve or we do not like. So we express it quite often, which is
for
why a lot of
BS in
things.
short.
What's that?
For BS
What
in
is-
short. Bullshit.
Yeah, and so we are more honest now in order to show what we want or what we deserve from this relationship, what we're looking for it. Wherein there was this old world charm wherein you wouldn't say you go through certain kind of phases which you wouldn't want to go through, but you still sustain a relationship. But that's also a beauty of it, because you stick to it. You're sticking to your commitments, and that's the beauty of it as well. But I think I'm okay with even जो आज की जो relationships है, wherein people are more honest, they are open, how they are feeling, and they are understanding that love is not only about possessing anything or holding anything. It is about giving that sort of liberation to the other person and to ourselves, and it's better to be happy separately than being unhappy together. So I think so I think if you're able to, communication is a key.
Yeah,
So
I think
I'm
that
fine with
is
it.
one part. Another part, I feel our generation, like that, a lot of people who don't want to commit. They are running away from commitments. They don't want They don't want to take responsibilities.
Right.
Maybe because of what they have seen in the past, their past experience, because of their family, or maybe divorce. They might have seen something like that. So maybe because of that, or I don't know what.
Like I
Yeah,
sh-
but I also see.
But
But
I have
I
seen
also
this a
see that
lot.
it
get
comes
attracted
from
very easily to somebody else.
it comes from a place wherein they understand themselves better than and they're not rushing for something. So I see that sort of with my friends, that they are trying to understand themselves first before they could commit to someone, that this is the kind of person I am, the way I'm showing it to you. Because we are in a fast changing world, we are in a fast evolving world, so we change very quickly, the way we used to, or our parents used to. Every day we are updating ourselves with new technology, with new kind of sets of people. We are accepting them, we are rejecting them. So there's a lot which is going on. So I think we are dealing with a lot at the first place. So a lot of people are taking time to understand them, the kind of person they are, before they could commit to somebody else. So I think we are becoming more aware as to when I compare it with my parents and their idea of relationship. It's their idea of relationship. Sometimes I see it's just to get someone with you, and that's it. And then you feel like, but that's also
Somewhere that
right.
is also, yeah.
Yeah.
That's also
There's nothing right or wrong. It's
at the
what
end,
it
you
is.
do need. You don't want to be 40 and single, right?
Yeah.
Or 70
Okay, so
and single.
talking about Bhaskar, Bhaskar is someone in the show, who is somewhere or the other बहुत सीधा है, but he also have that naughty side in him, तो मुझे बताइए, ज्यादातर लोगों के लाइफ में कोई एक ऐसा पर्सन रहता ही है जो भले ही उसकी हरकतें बहुत सीधी सादी हो, चेहरे से दिखने वाला बहुत सीधा हो, बट somewhere or the other अंदर से बहुत naughty होता है. Do you all also have that one person in your life?
100%.
Yeah, my
मैं ही
cat.
हूँ मैं अपनी लाइफ में. नहीं, मैं तो अपनी लाइफ में मैं खुद ही हूँ.
नहीं, पर बाहर से भी आप ऐसे ही दिखते हो.
बाहर से ऐसे ही नॉटी दिखता हूँ मैं.
बाहर से तो आप सीधे साधे दिखते हैं. That is what you are playing, कि बाहर से सीधे साधे हैं और भास्कर. बट मैं रियल वाले इसकी बात कर रही हूँ. डू यू ऑल हैव समवन इन योर लाइफ जो बाहर से बहुत सीधा दिखता हो, बट वी नो कि उसकी हरकतें कैसी है?
Yeah. There are a lot of my friends.
होते हैं.
Yeah. Okay, so इसके अलावा नहीं
Sharma, can we make it a last question, please?
Yeah, making it. So इसके अलावा there has been a lot of buzz about season 3. Tell me क्या सच्चाई है? Are we going to soon see season 3?
Over to
the
you,
only thing about
Anant
sorry,
Vijay.
the only thing that I've already taken an initiative. The only thing that I've heard about season 3 is the questions that keep on coming. Is season 3 coming? So I really hope if audience they are appreciating and liking it, and if they want it, I'm sure channel would heed that hint and would make it. But there's nothing official that I've heard so far. But I'm really hoping.
Right. Okay, so it was lovely talking to you all.
Same
Thank
here.
you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you
All the
so
very
much.
best. See you all very soon in season 3.
Yes, hopefully.
Yes, hopefully, fingers crossed.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I don't want to
Thank
say
you.
anything.
Bye bye.